This is a beginner tutorial for ukulele players learning how to pick, and we're going to do a very simple first picking pattern.
Playing wrist ukulele is lots of fun.
This is how you come at the uke, like that. It's like you're very camp, and you've got a very relaxed hand leaning over the edge of the ukulele like so. Here's another angle. So there's plenty of room for me to get to the strings. And now if you just think of it like this, you're a hitchhiker. And your fingers are, kind of clenched, almost in a fist. Well, they are in a fist. That's how you want to come at the strings, like so. So the first of all, the wrist is hanging over nice and dangly, and these fingers are bent over. And now, arthritic fingers have a bit of a hard time with this, but what we're trying to do is not come at the strings like this. We're trying to bend our knuckles. When you get in this position, you want your thumb parallel to the string like so. And we're going to push it down like that for our thumb. We're not going to hook it like this. It's just going to be flat thumb, and it just falls from that string to the next, like that. That's your thumb. Now these digits each have a string. First finger has the third string, second finger has the second string, third finger has the bottom string, or the first string, like so. Now a good place to start is just by holding a C chord, for example, and pulling all four strings at once. So the thumb goes down and these strings pull like that. Okay, it's like you're just pulling them forward. Okay. Once you're comfortable doing that, take your time. There's no rush. We'll be here tomorrow. We're going to learn how to do that. So we've got thumb, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. And to complete this pattern that we're learning, we're then going to come back and use finger 2, then finger 1, and that's going to be the end of our picking pattern. And it starts like this. That's one whole bar of 6/8 time. So we're no longer in 4/4, which is what we're usually playing in, but we're in 6/8. So we start with our thumb, and now I'm going to count the beats for you. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, as I always say, I get in trouble from some people who think that you should not use your pinky to anchor your picking hand structure like I usually do. I'm more comfortable when I put my pinky, just touching ever so lightly. I'm not pressing at all. It's just touching there, just to kind of help me know where my hand is on the ukulele. And then of course where's the best place to pluck. And generally when we're strumming, we're up here. But I find that when I'm picking, it's usually a bit more over the hole, like so. And I think that's okay because the flesh of our fingers are very soft. And even though we're slightly more bright or brittle sort of sound up here, I think the flesh of our fingers makes it a nice tone. But if you want to, you could always move up. Just feels a bit comfortable where my forearm is resting on the ukulele. I like it back here. Okay, now here's a song that you might like to learn. It's called Hallelujah. I'm sure you've heard of it. It goes like this. And then the chorus goes. It's a really nice, calming piece to play. Now, if you would like a song sheet for this one, head on over to my new website, ukulele.com. If this video has served you well, please do give me a like, share me with your friends, leave me a comment below. All these things help the channel to grow so people like you can find this kind of content. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. Gold star for you. See you in the next one.